Welcome everyone to Power BI Split Column by Delimiter. In this video, we will explore the split column by delimiter in Power BI, focusing specifically on the rightmost delimiter. I will use infographics to simplify the concept and make it easy to understand. So let's dive in. What is split column by delimiter? This is a feature in Power Query that helps you break a single column into multiple columns based on a specific separator called the delimiter. A delimiter is a character or sequence of characters used to separate distinct elements or fields within a data string, text, or file. Common examples of delimiters include the comma, the space, semicolon, the pipe, and the colon. Now here is a valid point to keep in mind that a string or set of values can contain multiple delimiters which can be sequentially numbered based on their occurrence. So before we dive into an infographic demonstration of splitting a column by delimiter, let's first understand the concept. Here we have our date column in days, months, and year format with two delimiters. Now, let us differentiate them using different colors. So, for the first delimiter, a red slash is at the leftmost position, while the second delimiter, a blue slash, is at the rightmost position. Now we have identified the sequential position of our delimiter. Let us bring in our entire date column to observe this transformation. Now this is our date column with 10 rows, which we will split at the rightmost delimiter. Before we split, here is a snapshot from Power BI showing where to select your split option based on the delimiters. Now, let us split this date column at the rightmost delimiter. All right, now you can see that the original column has been split into two. The first column contains the day and the months together, while the second column holds the year. The split happened at the second slash, which acted as the rightmost delimiter. This is useful for organizing dates values, making it easier to extract specific components for analysis, filtering, or sorting. For example, you might need to separate dates when working with time-based trends, sorting transactions by day, or preparing data for further transformations. You can also use this technique when cleaning names, separating first and last names, breaking down product codes, extracting key details from text, and more. Thank you so much from Facom Analytics, and as always, do like and subscribe for more data content like this.